Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Lady Gaga's Met Gala look on Dress to Impress, removing everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. What did I remove just now? Okay. Oh, I removed one of the hairs. Okay, we can do that together. For the lashes, we're going to use this one in the 6th toggle. For the bangs, use this one here in this color. Then use this hair in that color as well, in no bangs. And then I'm going to add this one in the no bangs toggle in that same color. I am just going to kind of rotate it so it's like front facing, like the curls. I might move it downwards a little bit, maybe like that. Then for the bangs, I just use this too in the only bangs toggle in the same color. Position the Y at 0.47, Z 0.53, rotate the X to 0.56, and scale it to 0.58. I think I also removed like one of the headbands, but let's just go on with it. Get this bow in this pink color, AD2554. Make sure you save that color. Position the X to 0.35, Y 0.54, Z 0.85. Rotate the X to 0.15, the Z to 0.22, and scale it to 0.92. Then grab this headband in that same color, and I'm just going to position it so it's closer to where the headband is at. Scaling it up just a little bit. Rotating it a little. Doesn't have to show that much actually. I'm trying to you know what? That's fine. And then for the sleeves, we're going to use these in that same color. And then this one in that same color. And then this in the same color. And then lastly, we just need some code items. First, we need the trendsetter dress in no ruffles. And then this racer jacket in this color in matte, and then that color again in matte. For the third toggle, use this color FF339D, and we're just going to leave the zipper. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.